Alright, here's a quick video showing how to improve the volume on your lemax piece. This is one of the older 2003 type volume control units. This is on the Madame Ashbury House of Wax. You can do this similarly though with a lot of different lemax things. Some of them you click them to open. Some of them have a screw, so just sort of look at your specific one, how to open it. So there you can see is the potentiometer. Sometimes these will come loose, so I'll just go ahead and tighten it up again. The main thing that I do though is, since they're a potentiometer, over time from being in storage and just really being in the world in general, the contacts on these potentiometers can get a bit corroded. Here's what the bottom side of one of them looks like. The 2 points here and here cross power to whatever piece you're doing. I even looked at the Rest in Pieces Mausoleum, and that one still uses the same type of switch, even though that one no longer uses a power cord connection on the piece. Anyway, the three here in the middle are the potentiometer connections. So the one in the center is the main pin. Then these two are the sides. One of them is usually grounded, so connected to the minus wire. And this one is usually an input from the computer board. And then this is usually to the speaker, I think. Basically, the contact will sweep between the two. There's a little tiny pin that will make contact and connect between the two to raise and lower the volume for the speaker. And what I'll do is I'll just put a little bit of oil. I usually wouldn't recommend taking it off of this bottom piece unless it's necessary. I have had it happen where the wires will get pulled and you'll need to take it off to try and fix a connection on the bottom there. But now this is working a lot better. So this will fix crackling issues. This will just sort of clean the electric contacts, and it should make it a lot smoother. You can hear that's really smooth. So that should fix any issues you have with your volume control on your lemax piece. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm happy to answer any questions you might have. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out the other videos on my channel.